Namaste everyone. How are you today? I hope everyone is fine. Dear friends, today we are going to talk about the secret of the Padmasana. Why Padmasana is the best as asana? Why our traditional books give so much importance to Padmasana? And what does Padmasana relate to our health? So for reveal that I'm going to teach you Padmasana. But if someone can't do Padmasana, so I will make a separate video. But before start to do practice the Padmasana, I'm going to request you, still if you didn't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel, like, share, and comment and share my videos also. Share my videos, and if you want to looking for more informative yoga videos, so I'm giving a link in the description below, so check it out. So let's start it. Padmasana, first we have to sit into the sitting Dandasana. Sit into the Dandasana with with the leg straight. So after that, I will bring my heel, right heel to the left thigh, and then left to right. So my friends, this is the so this is the with cross legs. Then place your hands on your knees. You can adopt any mudra here. So this we call Padmasana. We can sit like that. Then we can look straight, or you can close your eyes. So this is the Padmasana first. So this is the Fullback Padmasana. So make legs straight once again. So Padmasana, why our saga is so desirable about Padmasana? Why our sagas like Padmasana so much? To understand this, so first we need to understand our body, how it works. So let's come into the Sukhasana first. So as you can see in the Sukhasana, our knees is going more higher, our hip is going to more down. So and our hips has a more weight, because of the more weight and gravity, so the pressure on the back. So what happened after we sit here, after some minutes, here our spine is collapsed like that. So we sit spine straight. So if we talking about the physical aspects, here, so we have so many problems occur. The problems is like the back pain, like slip disc problem. Slip disc means, we have this spinal vertebrae have some disc like a cushion. So these have some problem here, because of this posture. If we come into the Padmasana, as you can see, if we sit into Padmasana, so what happened? The weight shifted like our hip and the buttock area, our knees area. When you sit in the Padmasana, automatically we sit straight, like with spine straight, with head erect, as you can see here. So this one, if we talking about like a physical internal aspects, here, if we sit in Sukhasana with the curved spine, so what happened? All thing is squeezed and the pressurize our like internal organs, like our intestine, our liver, our kidneys, our pancreas, our lungs. Pancreas is good for insulin, good relieve excretion the insulin for immunity power. For if we sit like that. But if we sit into the Padmasana, so what happens in Padmasana? So it's expand. So when we expand, so we can take more breathe in or out easily. So, this time if we sit like in Sukhasana, so we have many problems like if we talking about, so if we sit here, so we have some the prana vayu disturbance, right? Prana vayu disturbance, like our Apana prana, our Samana prana, and our prana. If Samana prana is Apana prana is a disturbance, so what happened? Like many problems occur, like the like pain, we have like menstruation problem, we have like pain in the menstruation, we have if Samana prana, like we have digestion problem, we have intestine problems. Okay, if we are talking about our prana, so we heart problem, we have lungs related to lungs problem, because we can't take oxygen intake, the air or the oxygen is not sufficient. Okay, but if we straight here, so this term we have expanded. Okay, all things expanding, they are in straight lines expanded. Okay, is good for our apana prana, samana prana, our digestion will be good. Okay, our heart will work is properly, our lungs will work properly. Okay, when we sit in this position like that. Okay, so this is the physical internal aspects, and one more aspects like that, our spine is related to like nervous system. Okay, especially sympathetic or parasympathetic nervous system. So these terms, like if we sit like that, so maybe we have many problems, especially like Parkinson, or they can't control the body parts, so like that. But if we straight like that, so maybe we have more control our nervous system, so we can control. And if like if we are talking about like the chakras, okay, in chakras also in align when we sit straight like that. If we sit we cannot sit straight, okay, like that, especially, okay, our chakras is still not in align. Okay, so when we sit here into the Padmasana, so that is the very great thing, that's the very big thing. So that's why our sagas, our books give us so important to asana, so importance to Padmasana. Why? Because they have all benefits. Maybe we not so aware about this, but there are so much benefits, not only these secrets. Okay, we have so much benefits about the Padmasana, especially in the meditation. When we are practicing doing the meditation, so we have to sit a long time here. Okay, that's why our sagas, our tradition, give us so much importance to Padmasana. So dear friends, so for today only these things we have to really reveal that some secret of Padmasana. So my friends, before I'm ending my video, so I want to tell you once again, so please subscribe my channel and like, and if you like it, so please share it, and also let me know what kind of the yoga timetable you are following. Okay, the schedule you are following in your life also. So my friends, keep watching, so my friend, keep watching and keep supporting to me. Thank you so much again. Namaste, see you, take care, bye bye.